Hey BMW M2 owners, spacers are the go-to solution for achieving the perfect wheel fitment. Since they sit between your hubs and wheels, many people worry about wheel shake. However, spacers themselves don't cause vibration. After all, no one wants shaky wheels on their M2. Use quality hub-centric M2 spacers and torque every bolt correctly, and you won't experience any vibration. Well-made hub-centric spacers create a rock-solid wheel connection. Today, we are breaking down the key factors for the best BMW M2 spacers. Key factors of the best BMW M2 spacers. 1. Vehicle-specific. Vehicle-specific spacers are much safer and more reliable than universal ones. They are machined to your M2 exact specifications for a perfect fit, which significantly reduces the risk of high-speed vibration. 2. Fender clearance. If you are using spacers for a flush or aggressive stance, calculate how far the wheels stick out from the fenders. Calculate the right spacer thickness to avoid annoying rubbing. 3. Quality matters. Not all M2 spacers are created equal. Cheap ones can cause wheel wobble and safety issues. Pick spacers with top-tier corrosion resistance for extra safety insurance. 4. High precision. Precision is non-negotiable for spacer manufacturing. High-quality M2 spacers have a smooth surface, which guarantees safety, stability, and a flush fit against hubs and the wheels. Who sells the best BMW M2 spacers? The market is filled with spacers, but BONOSS stands out for its precision and performance. With over 70 years of experience and more than 1,800 design updates, their M2 spacers are top tier. Here's why. Extremely lightweight benefit. Lighter unsprung weight equals better handling. BONOSS forged lightweight spacers have hollow curved holes and are 20% plus lighter than their previous models. They are so light that they won't put stress on your suspension. Excellent anti-corrosion materials. They are made from high-strength 6061T6 and 7075T6 aluminum, which is lighter than steel and has better heat conductivity and corrosion resistance. BONOSS adds black hot anodizing for extra protection, making them even more durable. Precisely machined for no deviation. They are CNC machined to a precision of 0.02 mm, and the hub-centric lips fit your M2 hub perfectly. This creates a tight wheel-hub connection that eliminates vibration. Choose BONOSS, choose safety. From their game-changer lightweight design to their tough materials and laser precision, BONOSS wheel spacers enhance your M2 performance by providing safety, strength, and reliability. If you demand the best for your BMW, choose BONOSS and feel the difference. No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.